All right, 6:53 this morning.
Time of year again where we start to see more lights go up on rooftops, more trees in living rooms, both at my house, both at your house. Will lights go up today?
Lights go up today.
Yeah.
A local Christmas light company is kicking the holidays off with a gift of free light installation. That's a pretty good gift,
Yeah,
right?
kidding.
KSHB 41 News reporter Grant Stevens caught up with the family that got those. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, the sun is rising on this rooftop, but you can still see those lights up there. But the story is actually how they got there and why they got there. The company that donated them wanted to bring light to this family that's brought light to so many others.
The holidays are all about traditions. And this year, Jingle Bros is starting a new one.
We've been wanting to find a family to give back to for quite some time now.
Christmas lights are kind of Philip Wolf's thing.
This is my favorite time of year. Just get so excited about it.
This year, he's giving the gift of light to someone special. He wanted to pick a family that really deserves it. So he asked around and landed on Leanne Clay's rooftop.
Super surprised when I got the call.
She looked familiar? We shared her story back in October when she drove a truck full of supplies to North Carolina to help with hurricane relief.
Just seemed like an excellent fit.
This was Wolf's way of giving back to someone who gives so much.
We brought the kids outside, turned them on, and it was just a gasp of, they were so excited. Holidays are super important for us, but Christmas especially. It's a time, one of the only times where our entire family can come together.
If we can just make it a little bit more special, totally worth it.
Both of them making the world a little brighter.
Leanne tells me she's actually having a lot of extended family come into town too, so this is exciting for them. So she's gonna really have a great holiday season, in no small part thanks to the lights.
Grant, thank you very much. All right, a reminder this holiday season of our Season of Hope toy drive. You can drop off newly purchased toys at different Chick-fil-A and fire station locations around town. So many options. You can also just scan that QR code right there and donate some money to the Salvation Army. We also have all of this at kshb.com. You can text, all kinds of ways to donate. So.